Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pepperstone. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Pepperstone account, and then here on the left hand panel click on funds, and then I want you to come here to withdraw funds. Just select your account as well and choose your method. In this case we're going to pick Skrill as our withdrawal method. Then what you need to do is just go ahead and choose your account trading number, right? You'll see your wallet ID, you'll see the permitted amount, and then you just enter the withdrawal amount you want. You enter that right here. Just make sure it falls within the permitted amount, and then come here and hit on continue. And then just go ahead and review everything, and you'll see the fees as well. So we're drawing $500, and then you just come here and tap on withdraw funds. Then you just enter your two-factor authentication code and hit submit, and depending on your payment method, it should take 1 to 2 days to withdraw the money. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.